Hello, welcome to the Boeing 747 collection. I built this by myself. There are 5 in different colors, the stabilizers. First one is the passenger version. It's just right here. The other one is orange, the last one ever built. This one is the cargo plane. Second smallest and the shortest. Alright, we're gonna go tour of each plane. First, let's start off the last plane on the first plane ever built is on the further right. I use glue, cardboard, paint, poster boards, straws, and more, and markers for more durable. Here we are. This is it. Here are the tails. Look how big they are. Yep. Okay, let's start with this plane. This plane has a nose. Like this. Yep. Like this. It has interior that you can't see. Yep, that's a cargo plane. Here's another one, which is longer. Has the same wing tips, engines from the 787. The engine. This is it. Here's the orange stabilizer, the landing gear, and you got the doors that is open. Here we are. Okay. We're gonna start with the biggest plane. The final plane ever built. Let's look at the cargo bay. You see that? It has a fuselage. Doors on the side, the rear doors. Here it is. That's the interior. There it is. This is on the upper deck. And here's the nose. Look how big the plane is. Here's the cargo, where you put pallets inside the plane. It's giant. Orange tail. It looks very big. I rode on these planes before. I've been on this plane before. Got the engines. Upper deck. And here it is. Comparing to the other 4 planes, some of them have winglets, which call the 400 sometimes. Here's the whole group of Boeing 747 planes. Here it is. Boeing 747. This is the biggest plane I ever made. A group of big planes in history for the first time since 2008. It's been 15 years now. Well, it took me the whole year to build lots of planes. Here are all the Boeing planes. Boeing 747-400. Good luck.